Now your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So some pretty interesting temperatures across the region. We've got 49 degrees in Sarasota, and then over the bridge, we've got 60 degrees at Longboat Key. That is the influence of the water, no doubt about it. 56 degrees in Venice, 57 degrees in Inglewood, 53 degrees at Lakewood Ranch, 51 in Parrish, 51 in Bradenton. I just wonder a little bit about that temperature sensor at the airport there. 51 in Myakka, 53 in Northport, 51 in Wauchula, and Arcadia coming in at 51 as well. Current temperature officially at the airport is 49 degrees. We have a dew point value coming in at 47 and a southeast wind at about 3. Fairly clear sky out there right now, but I think we will see the cloud cover on the increase as we progress through the afternoon as a cold front begins to sink south. We'll have mostly sunny skies, though, for you today, but you will notice a higher humidity value in the afternoon as temperatures warm. We will look for temperatures which will continue to climb through the day. By 3 p.m., we'll go with about 76 degrees, so it'll be a nice toasty afternoon. But then temperatures will start to fall into the 70s. They'll kind of maintain there through the evening until around midnight as we develop a more westerly wind flow, I think. And then as we head into dawn tomorrow morning, I think we have a pretty good chance of seeing some showers around, perhaps even the potential of a thunderstorm or two. We have across the region a lot of cloud cover to the north of us already in the Panhandle becoming mostly cloudy, parts of North Florida becoming partly cloudy. I think we'll see those clouds begin to move in here, increasing cloudiness through the afternoon, but particularly tonight after dark, we're going to cloud up pretty quickly, I think, and the cloud bases are going to lower. Maybe around midnight we'll see an isolated shower or two, but it's really toward, well, the time frame has been pushed up consistently with successive model runs over the last 24 hours. But at this point, I would think that around this time tomorrow morning, these showers will be right on our doorstep. The frontal boundary itself will be moving through during the day tomorrow, clearing things out pretty rapidly, I think, after lunchtime. And these scattered showers, which really are going to cover much of western Florida, by the time we get to around 1, 2 o'clock in the morning and then continue on with that chance of rainfall through about dawn, as I say, will produce perhaps an isolated thunderstorm that could come off Gulf waters with the potential of producing some pretty gusty, strong winds. We'll watch for that. The threat is low, but it's there. The Severe Storm Prediction Center gives us about a 5% chance, which is marginal, of seeing any kind of thunderstorm that may contain damaging winds. So we'll watch for that tomorrow morning, certainly. Although it's not a big risk, you can't ignore it either. Sunny, dry today, showers then building after midnight tonight, particularly through tomorrow morning. And then once that front moves through and those winds turn to the north and it gets kind of breezy around here, cooler air will be pushed down and our temperatures will be dropping significantly in the extended range forecast. Watch the Futurecast. Here we go. We'll put it into motion. Showers move into the Panhandle, sink southward by 8 o'clock tonight. Maybe an isolated shower after around midnight, but those showers really do move through here as we get through dawn tomorrow morning. So, beach and boating forecast calls for winds to be breezy. Southwest wind at about 15 to 20, increasing to not 205 miles per hour, but to 20 knots is what it should be. 20 knots. That 5 was kind of an artifact from a previous forecast. Anyway, so we'll look for temperatures that are top out today around 76 degrees, and then a good chance of showers and thunderstorms drive time tomorrow morning. And then we clear out, turn cooler, 65, the daytime high on Thursday. And then over the next several days, we stay cool with that next chance of rain on Sunday.